Here we will write a Python program to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit using constructor. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. Then we will define class, then we will define constructor with one parameter, and we will assign constructor variable, so self.c equal to c. Then we will define method. The formula for converting temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit is C into 1.8 plus 32. So we will calculate Fahrenheit temperature as F equal to self.c into 1.8 plus 32, and we will print the temperature as print temperature in Fahrenheit as F. Then we will accept the temperature in Celsius from the user. So T equal to int input enter temperature in Celsius. Then we will create object of our class and we will pass T as a parameter, and then we will call the method convert temperature from that class. Then we will save it and we will execute it. Here I enter temperature in Celsius as 33. It will print temperature in Fahrenheit as 91.4.